warm up. All right, wanna yet? Okay, can you? Awesome. All right, repeat after me. We're gonna do jumping jacks. I'm gonna say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Okay, someone's running around. All right, ready? Rotate like this. Good. All right, I'm gonna say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way now. Hana. Doer. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. Rotating left and right. Hana. Doer. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. All right. Now this time, everyone have your feet together. Hands on your knees like this. Awesome. All right. We're going to bend down all the way. Bending our knees. Everyone say hana. Good. Doer. Set. Net. Toss it. Okay, everyone stay on the ground just like this. I want everyone to take one foot, stick it out just like this. There you go. And then go ahead and reach for your toes. Good. Awesome. All right, everyone say hana. Doer. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. All right, we're going to switch legs. Go on the other side this time. Everyone say hana. Doer. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. One more stretch. Feet apart just like this. Good. Hands in the middle. Awesome. Good. All right. Let's say hana. Doer. Good. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right. Everyone go and stand up. All right. Shake out your hands. Shake out your legs a little bit. Good. All right. Chariot. Okay. Can you? Awesome. All right. When I say junbi, 1 foot apart. Hands just like this. Junbi. Awesome. Good. All right. Here's what we're going to do. Everyone aim your hands out to the middle. Awesome. Okay. When I say go, we're going to go to horse stance just like this. Ready? And go. Awesome. Good. Now, everyone look at your feet. Make sure both feet are pointing straight. Okay. So not to the side, but both feet are straight. There we go. Nice. Good, Nolan. Good. Good, Sage. Now bend your knees a little bit. Awesome. All right, we're going to throw one punch with this hand first. When I say hana, punch in the middle. Right, hana. Good, nice. Good form. Ready? Do it. Good. Good. Whenever you're ready, Jordan. Ready, set. There you go. Net. Good. Toss it. Awesome. All right, now this time when I say hana, we're going to do 2 punches on my count. Everyone say hana. Good. Nice. Keep this hand right here. Ready, and do it. Good, nice. Now, if you have your knees bent in a horse stance, you look even better. Ready? Hi, Gabriel. Hi, Elise. Ready? And set. Good. And net. Good. And Sage, yeah, turn your hand over like this. See my knuckles? There you go. And toss it. Awesome. Okay, now this time we're going to do 3 punches. When I say hana, 3 punches all together. Everyone say hana. All right, let's have a race. Let's see who can be the fastest. Ready? Do it. Good. And be faster than Nolan. Ready, set. No, not bad. Some of you guys are doing more than 3. Make it just 3. Okay, ready? Net. Good, nice, good. If you're holding your hand out like this, you look even better. 1 more, and toss it. Awesome, good, good, good. All right, everyone chariot. Good. All right, everyone be super still. Don't wiggle, don't move. Staring contest, don't blink. Good. Jordan, chariot position like this. Chariot, don't move. Don't wiggle. Awesome, and relax. Okay, fix your uniform if you have to. Awesome. Okay, here's what we're going to do next. When I say fighting stance, 1 foot back, both hands up. Ready? Fighting stance. Awesome, good. All right, when I say switch, I want everyone to switch your feet, but today we're going to play a game. Only switch when I clap the pad. You guys remember this game? Okay, so don't switch if I don't clap it. Now here's what's going to happen today. If I clap the pad and you switch, good. But if I don't clap it and you switch, you owe me 1 push-up. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, hands up here. All right, ready, switch. Good. Switch. Good. Switch. Oh, if I caught you, give me one push-up. Awesome, awesome. All right, let's do that again. Ready, and switch. Good, nice. I like how Gabriel has his hands up on the face. Looks good. Ready, switch. Oh, good job. Switch. Oh, no. If I caught you, if you move, do a push-up. Yep, good job. Yep, all the way down, all the way up. All right, 2 more times. Ready? And switch. Good. Switch. Good. Switch. Switch. Nice. Not bad. You guys high five. Good work, good work, good work. Awesome. Okay. Here's what we're going to do now. We're going to work on some balancing. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I want everyone to take your foot. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take one foot, pick it up like this, and we're going to swing it straight behind for a back kick. Okay. Now, when you swing it straight behind, okay, I want you guys to look at your foot and hold this position. Okay. Now, make sure you're not going to kick anybody or anything around you. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Can you guys see my feet? Okay. Have both feet pointing this way. Okay. So that way, when you throw your leg out, if you fall, you're going this way. You're going to lose your balance a lot easier if your foot's like this. So keep both feet facing this way. Okay. All right. I'm going to pick up your knee. And we're going to go straight back. Good. All right, everyone, hold this position. Say, Hana. Good. Now look at your toes. Do it. Good. Ready, set. Good. Look at your toes. Net. Toss it. Yas it. Ego. Good. You there? A hope. Yeah, and down. Nice. Not bad. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Now we're going to do the other leg this time. Now remember, you guys, when you pick up your leg, okay, just look at your foot. Make sense? You don't have to look at me. Just look at your foot. Okay? That way you can see what's around you. Ready? And pick up your knee and shoot it straight out. Good. Hold that position. Everyone say, Hana. Do it. Set. Good. Net. Good. Toss it. Good. Yas it. Good. Good job, Ricky. Ego. You're there. A hope. And you're. Nice. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. Awesome. That's a difficult thing to do, especially with your legs straight. You guys did awesome. Okay. Now, here's what we're going to do differently. This time, everyone have our hands up fighting stance? All right. We're going to practice a combination. Okay? So, we're going to go. Everyone say jab. Cross. Hook. And now we're going to turn. We're going to spin. Look over our shoulder. Back kick. Okay? So we're going to go jab, cross, hook, back kick. Okay? So let's do that together again. Hands right here. Good. Nice. Pretty good, Ricky. Ready? I'm going to go jab. Cross. Hook. Good. Nice. Now the hand that you're hooking with, you're going to keep spinning. Look over the shoulder. And back kick. Pretty good. Okay, I'm going to watch you guys now, okay? So I can see you. Hands up, fighting stance. Awesome. All right, everyone show me. Jab. Good. Cross. Good. Hook. And spinning back kick. Ooh, good, Zachariah. Good form. I can see your foot pretty clear. Awesome. Okay, now let's do this together one more time. Hands up here. All right, everyone go jab. Cross. Hook. Okay, now everyone freeze in the spot. Look what I'm doing. I'm going to take my front leg and step it over here. Everyone step it over there. Good, nice. Now look over your other shoulder. Good, nice. Now, I want you guys to all kick towards me. So we all kick towards the camera. So, Gabriel, turn. You're going to kick this way. Towards me, okay? And kick. Pretty good. Nice. Not bad, you guys. Not bad. High five. Awesome. Down low. Too slow. Down low. Too slow. Down low. Nice. Good. Awesome. All right. Everyone do this. Everyone have your feet apart. Awesome. You actually got me? All right, everyone show me Junbi. Junbi. Awesome, good. All right, now, here's what we're going to do now. Everyone take one hand, put it across your face like this. We're going to practice a new block. And everyone take the other hand, point it out right here, and everyone slide your feet together. Okay, we're going to practice double knife hand. Everyone say double knife hand. Okay, so we're going to take this hand, come out like this. And then this hand right here. Okay, so if you can see me, it's like this. This hand out here, this one here. Okay, now we're going to step out into a back stance, just like this. That means my back knee's bending more, my front knee's bending a little bit. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to take this hand. We're going to aim. Everyone aim. Good, nice. Now we're going to shift to front stance. Punch. Good, again. Ready? Now back to here. Double knife hand. Aim. And shift to front stance. Punch. Awesome, good. Again, ready? Back to here, back to double knife hand. Good, and then Gabriel, you don't have to switch your feet, okay? You just keep your feet like this. There we go. And aim. And this you can punch the fastest. Punch. Ooh, nice again. Ready, one more. Back stance, double knife hand. Aim. All right, everyone punch faster than Ricky. Ready, punch. Ooh, nice, good job. Okay, everyone paro, Junbi. You guys punch, you all punch fast. All right, I'm going to take this hand, cover this side of your face now. Aim on this side here. Okay, now feet together. You don't have to stretch your arm. That's not part of the move. I just had something here. Ready? Okay, we're going to go here now. Good. This foot, step out. Bend your knees. Good, and aim. Shift to front stance. Punch. Good, very good, you guys. I like your stances, very good. All right, ready? Hands like this. Get ready, Jordan. We're doing this one now. You can show me that toy later, okay? Go like this. There you go. Double knife hand. Good. Aim. And punch. Awesome, good. All right, two more times. Ready? Double knife hand. Good. Aim. Punch. Awesome job, you guys. One more time. Ready? Double knife hand. And Gabriel, don't switch your feet, okay? Keep it just like this. Ready? And aim. Last punch. I'm punch faster than Zechariah. Punch. Ooh, nice, nice, good. Paro. Yeah, don't punch that. Good. Chariot. Awesome, awesome. All right, we're going to do some exercises, okay? If you guys need a quick sip of water, I'm going to give you 10 seconds, okay? So get 10 seconds, quick sip of water. All right. Once you're done, come right back. We're going to do some ab exercises. Awesome. All right. Wait for Gabriel. I think Gabriel's getting ready. Okay, so before we continue, I have a question for you guys. And if you know the answer, raise your hand, okay? Where does the power in all of your kicks and punches come from? So let's raise our hand. Okay, let's see. Jordan, where do you think? Your heel? Well, you can get a lot of power from your heel, but there's something that controls all the power in your punches and kicks. It's a muscle. It's a group of muscles in your body. What do you think, Zechariah?
I think it's your abs.
Your abs. Nice. Good answer. High five. Okay, so we call that your core. Okay, your core muscles, your stomach muscles, the ones that make you twist and turn. Okay, that gives you all the power with your punches and kicks. Does that make sense? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and sit on the ground just like this. We've done these before, okay? We're going to do rush and twist. Now, here's how we're going to do them today. Instead of putting our hands like this, we're going to punch just like that. So if you can see me here, we're going to go punch non-stop for 30 seconds. Does that make sense?
Okay.
All right, yes, sir? Okay. Now make sure you're punching across. All right, ready? Alexa, set a timer for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. All right, ready and go. Punch. Punch, punch. Keep your feet off the ground. Don't let them touch, no matter what. Good. There you go. Keep punching, keep punching, keep punching, keep punching. Good. Almost done, almost done. Keep working, keep working. Make sure you have one hand on the face. If they did, just put them back up. Good job, you guys. Almost done. And relax. Good job. All right, Alexa, stop. We're going to do the same thing with our legs now. So here's what we're going to do. This time, we're going to have our legs like this. You can have your hands on the ground. We're going to go over, 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 okay? So if you see my feet, I'm circling this way, circling this way. Okay? Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay? Now here's the deal. We're not going to lay on our back. We're going to be sitting up. So everyone sit up just like I am. Okay? Now, keeping your back straight. Nice and easy. Now don't go fast and hard. Just go nice and easy, just like that for 30 seconds, okay? Alexa, set a timer for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. All right, ready, and go. Yeah, I got one. Good. This one's a lot harder. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. Good. Keep going. Almost, Gabriel. Go left and right like this. Oh, man, that's harder. Keep going. Keep trying. Good. End time. Yeah, that one's tough. Good job, you guys. High five. Good work. Good work. All right. Alexa, stop. Okay, I'm going to sit down crisscross. All right, Alexa, stop. There you go. All right. Here's what you're going to do now. Have them take your hands, put it on your stomach. Okay, here's the challenge today. We're going to breathe in, not for 4 seconds. We're going to breathe in for 6 seconds and breathe out for 12, okay? So take a deep breath in. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Deep breath in. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. Good job, you guys. High five. Yeah, try your best, okay? You got to take it. When I say in, though, you got to breathe in real deep. If you don't breathe in deep enough, it's more difficult. All right, do you guys have any questions for me? All right, we'll start with Gabriel. What's your question, buddy?
What are the other foods?
Where are all the other what?
What are the other moves?
The other moves?
Yeah.
Well, we'll do